Good evening, Year 11, and welcome to your Night Before News. So the paper that you're taking tomorrow will be your History Paper 1, and that's the Medicine Through Time paper and the British sector of the Western Front. Your paper will last 1 hour and 15 minutes, and on the slide that you can see in front of you, we will break that down per question. So section A will be the Western Front section. You will have a describe two features of question, which is worth 4 marks. A how useful are sources A and B for an inquiry into, whatever that might be, worth 8 marks. And 2B is going to be to study a source and think about how you could follow it up, and that's worth 4 marks. So you should spend 5 minutes on your 2 features of question, 15 minutes on your utility question, and 5 minutes on your follow-up questions. Section B is your thematic study, which means the Medicine Through Time section, which is 1250 to present day. And question 3 is explain one way, which is your comparison question between 2 time periods. It's worth 4 marks. Then an explain why, which is worth 12 marks. And then a question 5 or 6, you'll have a choice, which is worth 16 marks. And then you can gain another 4 marks for spelling and grammar. The comparison question, question 3, should take you 5 minutes. Your explain why, which is your 12 marks, should take you 15 minutes. And question 5 or 6 is going to take you 30 minutes. So in total, that's 1 hour and 15 minutes. So just a reminder this evening of the topics that are going to come up. All of your topic lists are on Arbor. So this evening, I would like you to log into Arbor to open it up and look at medicine revision topics, just so that you can go over anything that you might have missed. The facts are on the sheet that are on Arbor. For further reading, you need to go to the online revision guide, and it will have the page numbers that you need on Arbor. Or if you've got the green CGP guide, it also has the page numbers there. This shouldn't be new to you. We've been looking at this now for approximately 4 weeks. So this is an opportunity for you to kind of fill in those gaps, so anything that you think you are not as secure on. What I would also recommend that you do this evening is look at the final column of that document on Arbor. There are some exam questions for you to practice. It will be a good idea for you to sit and write plans to those questions this evening if you haven't already done so, just to make sure that you haven't got any gaps in your knowledge. If there are particular topic areas after this evening that you are struggling with, write them down and then come to the session tomorrow before your exam, and one of the history team will be happy to answer those for you. And finally, Year 11, the other aspect of revision that I'd like you to complete tonight is to go onto Arbor and to click on the link that we have added there under medicine revision, and it will take you to a video which takes you through the paper question by question, just to refresh your memory on exam technique, so how you apply your content to those questions. If you cannot access this for any reason, please send me an email and I will get back to you. Good luck.